My name is Emily Lester, and I'm the French wine correspondent for the Napa Valley Wine Academy. And right now, I'm standing in front of the Palais du Pape, the largest Gothic palace in all of Europe. Avignon is considered the capital of the Rhone Valley, and the Cotes de Rhone and the Cotes de Rhone Village are the main AOCs that we have here in this region. We're about to embark on a very special journey to discover some of these lesser-known villages. Their biodiversity, wines, and not just the reds, but the whites and the rosés as well. I'm really excited to have you on this journey with me. So, let's discover.